Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's Do Now deals. That means you either should do them now or the product won't be there, do them now or the coupon won't. Okay guys, let's start right over here in the deodorant aisle, and we're going to look at the Axe. Now the Axe is buy two, get $6 off. So let's look and see which ones it is. What you could do is you could pick up two Axe sprays, and they will be $6.50, and then you have a $6 off coupon on Axe body sprays or sticks. Or you can look for the one that's $5.75, which they don't have it here, but I'm gonna scan it for you. $5.75. $6 off too, so that makes one of them completely free plus an extra quarter to use. Okay, so don't forget to grab that one. And as you can see, the ones for $5.75 are gone, so start looking around and start picking up your Axe. That's a great back to school deal, or also for a 5 off 25. Okay, oral products are back and reloaded. If you come right here to the Oral-B toothbrushes, the 6-pack, they're $4 right there. $2 coupon, 5 off 3 coupon. But the $2 coupon reloaded. Now let's get to, and here is the Colgate Opti-White. It was $3.25 right there, $3.25. And the $2 coupon is back. Remember, we had a 3 off 2 last time. Now the Crust Detoxify also reloaded. Some are at $5.35 and some are at $4.35. Couldn't find that one. So you have a $2 coupon, the 5 off 3, and then you have a $1 coupon. Those all reloaded. Now, over here in the razor section, the Venus Razor Colors gave us a new coupon, $3, making it 3. Now here is something that is a freebie if you can find it and if you have the coupon. I did not see that Gillette black disposable razor. I'm gonna scan it for you, but I do not have the coupon. Okay, I'm gonna scan that so it shows you that it's $1.50. My sister got the coupon, I did not. So if you got the $1.50 coupon, that makes that free. Now remember, coupons still load on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Saturday night, Sunday all day, and then still load on Monday. So don't give up. Okay, we got the Head and Shoulders at $4.50 right here. $4.50, $3 coupon, making them $5 for 2. Okay, see the Garnier Fructis right here? It's $4. It's actually on sale for $3.50, and we have a 3 off 2 coupon, making one of those just 50 cents. Scott Tissue is back. The 6-count of Scott Tissue is $3.50, and they gave us a $1 coupon. Hold on, guys. There it is, a $1 coupon. It also had a spend 15, save 3. Now we also have a $1 coupon on the Angel Soft. Got a $1 coupon on the Cottonelle. Okay, now guys, let's not forget that the Big Mr. Clean for $9 has a $2 coupon. Here it is right here. It's $9, and that is our $2 coupon. Okay, let's get down to some BOGOs, and this BOGO is actually one that we do not get a lot of, okay? And it is on the Resolve. Make sure you go and watch my ad preview because I talk about what some of these products that went on BOGO. So the BOGO is the Resolve Carpet Cleaners. That's $5.50. And this is the Pet Expert. And you have a buy one, get one free. Okay. Now, if you tap that and open it up, it's going to show you everything that you can get with Resolve. That's buy one, get one free far as the Resolves. Okay. And it shows you the things that you can get. Now, probably won't last because as you can see, the Resolve Urine Desquare is already gone. That one is already gone. Now they have this one left right here, which I get these 2 cans. You can grab those 2 cans. Now, and then they have the other Resolve High Traffic Foam. I only have carpet in my rooms, but I can guarantee you this will not be here because we never get a BOGO on these, okay? So get those as a do now. Okay, so we're over here in the Febreze aisle. Febreze is giving us awesome coupon. Right here, you're gonna look at the Febreze plug. It's $3.50, $3.50 in your app, and then they gave us a $2.50 coupon. Okay, making that $1. Now this is the thing, guys. This one is a dollar. This shows inflation because that one used to be free or 50 cents. And then remember, we talked about the Advance already. The Advance is $4 warmer, $4, and it's a $3 coupon. So inflation has really took us down a notch right now. So start racking up. Now another deal that you guys will see that's here, and they gave us another coupon back. Let me scan this Vibrant right quick, guys. I don't know if that's a deal on it, but it's $10.80. Yeah, they gave us 2 more coupons, $5 each. So they're $5. $10.80. That makes them $5.80. So you can grab this and that Vibrant plug right there. Okay, that's a great deal, right? Awesome, right there. And look for these tags because they're taking 10% off already. That means it should be a deal coming soon, a clearance, all right? More Febreze goodies. They gave us the Febreze fabric spray for $4, and they did give us a coupon for 2. So it makes that $2. Again, time for college, returning back to college. Those bundles, you guys can make money off those bundles. Okay. Lysol. Now, you know Lysol came out during COVID with these room sprays, right? Here it is, $7.35. And again, they gave us a $3 coupon back, which we like that coupon. And you do have that $2 coupon also will work on one of these plugs. See, it's $10, $2.50, make it $7.50. I would probably use this one right here because the lower price, bang for your buck type thing, okay? That $2.50 coupon also fits that, all right? But you're staying on a budget. Go into your stockpile and build a college bundle, and hey, send a shout out to people you know that have college kids. Let's get to some detergent deals. Now, the first thing we're going to get to is I'm sorry guys, I had the camera up that close all this time. Wow. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is let's scan the Tide. The Tide is $5.50, and they gave us a $1 off coupon. Now that Tide, that coupon also works on the Gain. That's $4.50. Okay. Now, if you all were fortunate enough and one of God's favorites in the coupon world, then you have a manufacturer coupon to go with it. I do not have that. Now, the Gain also is $9.95. And you have a $2 off coupon. Then we had to spend 30, save 5. Okay, so we have that. Now my fave, and you guys know what it is, it's the Downy rinses. Let me see if that $2 coupon is gonna match that Gain. Yep, so you could use that for the Gain. That's awesome. So you could do the Gain rinse, and then you can do the Gain this one because it's 2 different coupons. All right. Hey, you guys see this? Do you all have it in your store? Drop it in the comment if you do. You see the new Downy Intense Pure Parenza Purity? They $3.95. I scanned them to make sure that wasn't in the wrong spot. $3.95 and no coupon for it, but it's $3.95. That's an awesome deal. Now, don't forget the Downy beads, $10.95. 2 for $16 this week. Okay. Okay guys, Purex has been good to us this week, this whole month. Scan the Purex for $6 right here. Look what you got. You got 2 for $10 DG coupon. And then you get $1 back on 1. Makes that 2 for $9 after you cash out, alright? Now look at the Snuggle. You see that Snuggle right there? The bead? Open that coupon. Alright, now we're going to find the Snuggle. See the Snuggle for $6. $6. Earn $2 one time. So I will pick up 1 Purex, 1 Snuggle, and get $3 back instead of $1 back, making that 2 for $7 or $3.50 each. And I'm searching this store, and so far they do not have the Snuggle bead, okay? So I have to search the store first. here it is right here. So I'm going to pick up one Purex and one Snuggle. I'm going to get $2 back one time for this. $1 back one time for that. That's going to give me $7 once my cash come back. These are $3.50 each. All right, good deal. They need to unload because they don't have half the stuff. Here is the purse here. I'm going to scan it for you. It's $5.50, and they did give us a $1.50 coupon back. Also, you have the dollar manufacturer cash back. These two will not work together, okay? Okay, guys, I do not want this video to run too long, so I want to thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share Irby's Coupon Camp because we don't gatekeep. Bye.